Hey everyone, my name is Ryan. I'm the CEO and founder here at UpKeep, and it is another release Friday. It's December 20th, and we are finishing out the year really strong. We've got two big updates for you, both in our web application. The first one is we've just really improved the entire import process for preventive maintenance within our application. So go in, check it out, let us know what you think. The second thing that we've done is completely redesigned our work order create page, just making it easier, faster, and more intuitive for all of our customers. That's you. So again, go in, check it out. Let us know what you think. We're constantly improving. And with that, I'm going to pass it over to our two product managers, Spencer and Hannah, to show you exactly how it works in UpKeep. I'll see you next week.
Happy Friday, everyone. My name is Spencer Nelson. I'm a senior product manager here at UpKeep. And this week I have an exciting update to share with you guys related to PM importing. So we have introduced a new format for importing your preventive maintenance into UpKeep that allows you to import your PMs within a single step. So previously in UpKeep, you had to kind of do a two-step process where you imported PM templates and then schedules on top of that. Now you can go ahead and import both schedules and templates as part of one operation to save you some time and just make it a little bit easier to manage PMs in bulk. So you'll see here now within the import data drop down, there is an option for preventive maintenance. This will be sort of the combined single step import. At the bottom, you'll still see these legacy versions of PM templates and PM schedules. If for whatever reason you need to continue to import in that way, we are still going to support these for a little while. But the new way of importing PM templates, you'll be able to download the template there. But it is essentially the same thing as importing templates and schedules, except that you can do it in one place. So you'll see here that you've got the template will be quite long with some 30 fields or so. And essentially the first half of this template is all the information that goes into the PM template. And then the second half here, kind of starting with this column M, shows you all the fields that you would need to import in order to create a schedule within that template. So the way this import process works is if you want to create sort of a single PM with many schedules underneath it, what you'll do is define those template details within kind of the first few columns here, and then you'll need to copy those exactly for every single row of PM schedule that you kind of want collapsed into a single PM. So what I mean by that is, these rows 2 through 6, you'll notice all have the exact same information here for the template. They all have monthly oil inspection, perform the tasks, so on and so forth, the same checklist, the same responses to all of that. And the reason why is that all 5 of these rows will end up being collapsed into a single PM. And that the 5 schedules within that, you can see that information starting here in column M. So all 5 are going to be calendar schedules with the same starts on date. Of course, these could be different if you want them to be different. Same recurrence every 1 month. And the work order is going to be created 1 day before it's due. Again, all of this stuff could be different, but for the sake of this example, all of these schedules will have kind of the same cadence of a monthly PM. But the difference is that you can see here in my asset ID column, I have 5 different asset IDs. Now these 5 different asset IDs mean that I'm going to create 5 different schedules, one for each asset, all for the same PM template. Down below here in the next 3 rows, you can see I've got sort of 3 rows that represent a single PM for checking air filter. This is a meter-based PM. You can see the details here, again with a unique set of assets and meters. And last but not least, I have an annual inspection down here at the bottom for, again, 5 separate assets. So it's really important just to understand that in order to get many schedules all to be a part of a single PM template, the PM template information, so that all the information here in columns B through L have to be identical. If you put anything different, like a slightly different description. In one, the system is going to interpret this as a unique PM template. And so this would actually be created as a separate PM, whereas, the other 4, because they have identical information, will kind of all be grouped under a single PM. So just to kind of show how that works, I'm going to go ahead and export. Now that I've filled this out, start my import process, choose my file, pick the file. If I needed to do any mapping, I would do some mapping. If I needed to, specify anything like this, go ahead and do that. So now you can see here I've got, all of my PMs, all the information that I just entered. I'm going to go ahead and finish that up. All right, so I created 3 templates with 13 schedules, and all of that was net new. I didn't update anything. So now if I go over to my preventive maintenance and do a quick refresh, you'll see that here is my annual DOT inspection, which you can see were these last 5 lines. So, a single PM with 5 different schedules underneath it. You've got check air filters, a single PM with 3 different schedules underneath it. And then last but not least, the monthly oil inspection, which again, a single PM with 5 different schedules underneath it. Again, the purpose of this update is to help make it a little easier and to save you time so you don't have to do imports, then export, then import again. So please let us know what you think. Let us know if there are other improvements to PM or importing in general that you'd like to see us make. And thanks for being customers of UpKeep.
Hello, my name is Hannah, and I'm a product manager here at UpKeep. For today, we have a really simple change coming, but hopefully it's going to improve your life. So on web, we have enhanced the way you create and edit a work order. So there are no new functionalities, but we have changed the way it looks. So let me show you what it looks like. This is based on feedback from dozens of customers that we've talked to. So when you go create a new work order or edit a work order, as you'll see, the layout looks different. And we've reorganized what goes where based on what is most important to you all. And we've also retitled a lot of these different fields so that it makes a lot more sense for most of you. And feel free to play around with these and let us know what you think. We're constantly looking to improve the design and overall experience for you. So we are always listening if you have anything to share with us. Thank you so much.